Drop the passengers, okay? Yes.
Ah, there's a new train. Alright, time to get it started.
Yep. Oh, yes. Get the boulder. Seems like we're gonna crash the bridge.
Alright, here we go.
Wait, what was that? Wait, what?
Alright, bombs away.
Oh no, looks like the train's here. Oh no. Alright, it's my chance. Huh? I mean, where? Aha! Ooh, that was a close one. After the boulder, I have to reach this place before it crashes. Alright, come on, there's gotta be hurry. No worries, just make it on the way. Come on, come on. Whoa!